Hello children, welcome to chemistry class. So today we are going to discuss class 10th chemistry. In that we will discuss the pH of a solution and how pH is useful for us. So let us see how it is useful for us. pH is useful for us. It tells us about the strength of acid or bases. Acid or bases. It means with the help of this pH we can say that acid or base. Before this we have discussed just acid and bases. With the help of pH we will be able to discuss, we will be able to clear that given acid is strong or weak. The given acid is strong or weak. So with the help of pH we can say the given acid is strong or base. So the strength of acid or bases are decided on the basis of pH value. If we know the pH value of a solution, of a substance, of an acid or of a base, we can say that base is a strong base or weak base. So let us see how we can explain it and how is it useful. pH scale measures the H ion concentration. H ion concentration in the solution. This pH scale measures the H ion concentration in solution. pH can be measured between 0 to 40. So pH value may be between 0 to 40. All the substances are categorized as 0 to 40. Even that is acidic or basic. pH of a solution tell us acidic or basic nature of a solution. Higher is the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. Higher is the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. Means if we see the formula of pH, so what is the formula of pH? pH equal minus negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. It means if this value will increase, pH will decrease. If H ion concentration will increase, pH value will decrease. So this can say higher is the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. And how we can say the on the basis of pH value the given substance is acidic or basic. So if a solution of substance has pH value 0 to 6.9, how much? 0 to 6.9, that is acidic. If a solution or substance has pH value 0 to 6.9, that is acidic. What is acidic? Okay. And base is above that. If any solution or any substance has pH value 7, that is neutral. What is nature of that substance? That solution will be neutral. Okay. And if pH value, a solution has pH value, a solutions have pH value between 7.1 to 14, basic in nature. Basic in nature. So by knowing the value of pH, we can say acid or base. Acid, before that we were testing and sour and bitter test. With the help of that we were telling that it is acidic or basic. But chemicals are so corrosive, so testing is very harmful for our health. So we use another method to confirm the given solution is acid or base. In acid, the pH value is between 0 to 6.9. If a solution has exact 7, that is neutral. If solutions have value between 7.1 to 14 are basic. So here, in this way, if we move this side, means what is acidic nature increases. Acidic nature increases. It means you have not to be confused. If a solution has pH 1 and other one has pH 2, so which one is stronger? 1. Solution which has pH value 1 is stronger than 2, because here in this way acidic nature increases, and their basic nature increases like that. So solution has more pH between 7 to 14 is more basic. Like that. A solution at 8 pH. pH of a solution is A1. First solution, that's pH is 8, and on second I have taken that pH is 13. So which one is stronger base? Solution has pH 13 is a stronger base. So with the help of this we can clear acidic and basic nature of a solution. Acidic and basic nature of a solution with the help of this we can. Acidic pH is not related to acid or bases. It plays very important role in our daily life also. So what is the importance of pH in our daily life? Let us discuss one by one. Importance of pH in everyday life. Are the plants and animals pH sensitive? It means what pH needed for all the living organism. What pH needed for the living organism. If pH is lower or higher, that may affect human beings or other living organisms or not. So let us discuss. Here we are sensitive at 7 to 7.8 pH. If our body pH is 7 to 7.8, we can survive very easily. If pH of water is less than 5.6, so that causes acid rain. Then if pH of a solution or pH of a water is less than 5.6, that means acidic in nature. So that causes acid rain. Means when substances, harmful gases get mixed in water and they lowers the pH of water, that causes acid rain. Due to acid rain, many organisms. So what we have seen that at all the pH is not useful for plants as well as for animals also. We can't survive at all pH. At 7 to 7.8 pH we can survive. You have also seen due to acid rain the aquatic animals life becomes difficult, and fishes and other aquatic animals are dying due to acid rain because they lowers the pH value of water, and that causes death of the aquatic animals. First point we got. Second, pH of soil. So you know that all the soil don't have same type of pH. Means plants, all type of plants do not need same type of pH, and they need a special pH range for healthy growth. All the plants need a special range of pH for healthy growth. Plants require a specific pH range for healthy growth. Next is pH in our digestive system. So the digestive system, our digestive system works at 6.8 pH. You know that in our stomach, digestive juices, hydrochloric acid is being secreted, and that helps to digest the food. If that is secreted in excess amount, that causes acidity. When we have acidity, we use milk of magnesia to remove the acidity. That is magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium hydroxide is also known as milk of magnesia. When acidity causes in our stomach, we use magnesium hydroxide and milk of magnesia to remove acidity of our stomach. Next is pH change as the cause of tooth decay. So if our mouth pH is 5.5, if our mouth pH is 5.5, that is good for our teeth. If pH of our mouth is lower than 5.5, that causes tooth decay. To prevent this, we use different type of paste, and that help to maintain the pH of mouth 5.5. It means, so pH affect tooth decay also. If pH of our mouth is lesser than 5.5, that causes tooth decay. So if our pH of our mouth is lower than this, we use different type of paste, and that help to maintain the pH of mouth up to 5.5. Next is self-defense. You know that whenever bee sting, that causes pain and irritation. When bee sting us, that causes pain and irritation, and that pain can be removed by rubbing the baking soda around the area. So we have discussed here that what is the importance of baking soda and what is the importance of pH in our daily life, and how we can explain, how we can say that the given substance or given acid or base are stronger or weaker. Before this, we were just knowing that the acid is acid or base, but we were unable to say that strong acid and weak acid. With the help of pH, we can say that is strong acid and that is a weak acid. And these are the importance of pH in everyday life. We have the importance. These also help us to understand the importance of pH value. So first, plants and animals have a certain pH value on that they grow. If pH changes, that causes problem that lead to death also. pH of soil. pH of soil, it means the soil has different pH. Means different type of soil has different pH. At a specific pH, the plants grow. And pH in our digestive system, in our stomach, hydrochloric acid is being secreted, and that has the pH value of 6.8. If the more acid is secreted, so pH is increased. To remove the acidity, we use milk of magnesia. And next is pH as the cause of tooth decay. If the pH of our mouth is less than 5.5, that leads to tooth decay. To prevent this, we use different type of paste that has carbonate and other bases. And self-defense, bees have acids. When they sting us, that causes pain and irritation. To remove the pain and irritation, we use baking soda.